Extempore is an app that will help you turn your smartphone into a teleprompter. You can shoot flawless videos on the go right from your mobile and even edit and publish them. All you need to do is load your script, go ahead and shoot your video. Extempore will ensure you look confident in front of the camera, while the script you need to deliver will scroll at a desired pace in the background. Okay, time to get started with a quick demo showcasing all the major features of Extempore. Open the Extempore app from your mobile. Log in with your email and password. When you log in, you see stories that you have created. You can get started with one of the already created stories or type in a fresh story. I'm going to go ahead and create a new story. Click on this video with the plus icon to create a new story. Give a title. You can write a story or copy paste from elsewhere. In this case, I'm going to paste a script from one of our blogs. Once done, you can save the story. You can edit the story if required or go to the teleprompter mode to record your video. You can also go to My Takes tab and start a new take. The first option lets you auto stop the recording once the script ends. In the second option, you get to choose the resolution of your video. The font size option lets you increase or decrease the size of your font as per your convenience. The last option is your text scroll speed. You can trial and error to find the best speed matching your pace. You can also choose the camera front or back options. For example, you want to show a monument and talk about it, you can choose the back camera. If you want to appear in the video, you can go ahead with the front camera. You can record your video by clicking the red button. Once the countdown finishes, your video starts recording and you can read out the script scrolling on your screen. If you have chosen the stop recording when the script ends option, the video will auto stop recording. Else, you need to stop recording by pressing the same icon. Once done, you will see a preview of your video just like the one on the screen. You can play the video and if you're satisfied, you can go ahead and style your video. You can also go for a new take if it is not convincing. In this case, I'm gonna style the video. You can choose vertical, square or horizontal video option based on your purpose. I'm going to choose vertical video and I'm going to trim the unwanted portion in the video. How cool it is to do all the editing on the go. Coming back to the main styling screen, the next option is to add lower thirds and captions to your video. Choose the style you like and type in the heading and description. The next option is to remove the green screen background if you are using one. You can choose backgrounds from the available options or use your own background from your gallery. Do you want to add energizing music to your videos? We have got you covered. With the Add Music option, you can browse for audio files and add them to your videos. You can also adjust the music and video volume here. With Extempore, you can even brand your videos. Browse for your logo and choose the position and opacity and you are good to go. Finally, you can save your video. You can find the video in the edited video section of that particular story. If you're satisfied, you can click on the share option to upload it to social media sites. Alternatively, you can also export the copy of your video. Hope this demo helped you understand the significant features of Extempore. Thank you.